Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. The mango season is in full swing and the market is flooded with mangoes. So let's celebrate with a quick and easy recipe. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to help you achieve the perfect texture and taste of this sweet dish. Made with fresh mangoes, this dessert is a sweet tribute to the king of fruits. Our recipe for today is delicious mango sheera. Step 1. Preparing the mango puree. Select one Alphonso mango or a similar type of mango which is pulpy and doesn't have any fibers. Remove the skin, discard the seed and cut the mango into pieces. Add the mango pieces in a mixer grinder. Grind it nicely without adding any water to make a fine puree. Our mango puree is ready. Step 2. Preparing the other ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fine semolina, also called Rava or Sooji. 1 cup or 250 ml of milk. 1.5 cups or 375 ml of water. Half cup of sugar. 6 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. 1 pinch of salt. 4 cardamoms or Elaichi, powdered without the skin. You will also need 6 almonds or badams, 6 cashew nuts or cashew, 2 tablespoons of raisins or kismis. Cut them into pieces. Or you can also use any other dry fruits of your choice, including peanuts. Step 3. Preparing the milk mixture. On medium heat, in a pan, add the milk and let it boil. Once the milk starts to boil, add the water. Now add the sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Once it starts boiling, cover and put off the heat. Step 4. Preparing the mango sheera. Place a thick bottom pan on low heat and add the semolina. Gently roast for 4 to 5 minutes until the semolina changes color slightly. This step needs to be done along with step 2 while you're boiling the milk mixture because the milk needs to be boiling hot when you add it to the semolina later. Stir frequently for at least 4 to 5 minutes to cook the semolina properly until you get a nice aroma. Don't let the semolina burn. After roasting the semolina for 4 to 5 minutes, add the ghee. Stir the semolina and let it absorb all the ghee. Roasting the semolina properly ensures that your sheera has a smooth and soft texture. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Add the cashew nuts and the almonds. Also add the raisins or kismis. Fry them for a few minutes. Do not put all the dry fruits while cooking. Keep some for garnishing. Now carefully pour the sizzling hot milk mixture as it may splatter. Stir continuously to prevent lumps from forming. Now increase the heat to medium-low. Stir it nicely and break any lumps that are visible.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the cardamom or Elaichi powder. Stir everything properly. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Add the mango puree. Mango will give an amazing color and will also add lots of natural flavor in your Sheera. Alphonso mango is a great choice for this recipe as it has a bright orange-yellow color and a sweet, unmistakable taste. Reduce the heat to low and stir everything properly. Cook for around 4 to 5 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed. Taste and add sugar powder if required.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then serve the mango sheera and enjoy. Delicious mango sheera is ready. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.